All right, guys, let's talk about a full day of eating to get to 10% body fat. If you're new here, I'm Neil John Thomas. I'm a retired 38-year-old bodybuilder, and I teach men over 30 years old how to get in the best shape of their lives with as minimal effort as possible. That is the key with my whole entire channel. Minimal effort as we get older. Still training, still putting on muscle, staying lean, staying healthy, having minimal stress, being the best version of yourself. So with everything I know now over the years and years of bodybuilding and the decades of trying diets, carnivore, keto, Mediterranean, intermittent fasting, I've done literally everything. I've tested everything on myself. Hundreds of clients that go with what I teach, which is macrolation. Again, if you're new here, macrolation is a term I made up. It's just macro manipulation. So if we're talking about getting to 10% body fat, every single person watching this is probably a different age, has a different body fat, is a different height, has a different BMI. So we're just going to do an example for this. We're going to say an average man, let's say 5'10", 190 pounds, and they're 20% body fat, and they want to get down to 10% body fat. Now again, I don't know the exact calories of what your body needs to be in maintenance and what calories you need to be below maintenance to be in a deficit to lose weight. So take this with a grain of salt, but everything I show you, you will be able to manipulate to your desires for you to get to 10% body fat. So hypothetically, we're taking this example of a man, and we're going to say for him to get to 10% body fat, it's roughly 2,000 calories. Okay, so again, what I teach is macrolation. So we're going to take all our favorite meals, and if you want any of those meals, the link is in the bio. They're all completely free. I think there's almost 20 on there now. They're absolutely amazing. Try them out for yourself. But we're going to take 3 to 4 meals a day. I eat 4 meals a day, but let's just say hypothetically you're going to do 3 meals a day. Maybe there's a snack in there, 2 snacks in there. Oh my God, of course they're doing yard work again. Not gonna stop me, I'm gonna keep going. Gotta get this info out to as many people as possible. You ain't gonna get me, Satan. Nope. So let's take breakfast. If you know you have 2,000 calories for you to get from 20% body fat to 10% body fat, and again, this will be adjustable over time. Like you're not just gonna go to 2,000 calories to get to 10%. You know, you might be at 2,400 calories at 18%. And then to get down to the next tier of 15%, you might go down to 2,200 calories and so forth. You're not gonna just drop 500 to 1,000 calories instantaneously, but you guys get the picture. So if I wanted to get to 10% body fat, and I know that I gotta eat 2,000 calories, my breakfast is gonna be French toast or pancakes or a bagel sandwich. There's a bunch of different variations. Again, these are all in my cookbook, but I know, because I've talked about this in other videos, the French toast and the pancakes are all between 500 and 650 calories, 40 to 50 grams of protein. So we're not doing no chicken and rice, we're not doing no egg whites, none of that bullshit. We're gonna eat all the foods we love so that we never cheat. That's what makes this so easy and so sustainable, especially getting to 10% body fat, because the goal isn't just to get to 10% body fat, it's to maintain it for the rest of your life. You can do chicken and rice, keto, carnivore, any freaking diet on planet Earth and get to 10% body fat, but you will be suffering and you will not maintain it. And you will not eat chicken and rice or keto or carnivore for the next 50 years. So what I'm proposing is let's get you to 10% body fat eating all your favorite foods so that when you get to 10% body fat, you can maintain it because you're still eating your favorite foods. It's super simple. So French toast, pancakes for breakfast, 500 to 650 calories, 40 to 50 grams of protein. Breakfast is done. Now we go on to lunch. Maybe that's going to be the Big Mac burger in my recipe book, or the Wendy's Baconator, or a meatball sub, or tacos, or my 3 cheese burrito. All, again, 500 to 650 calories, 40 to 50 grams of protein. So we're still at around 1,000 calories, 2 meals down, around 100 grams of protein. That's pretty damn good. And you feel full because the protein is so high. You're not hungry throughout the day. You're not like, oh God, I need to eat something or I'm gonna freaking pass out. No, like you're getting a ton of protein, so you feel good. Move on throughout the day. Maybe you have a snack. I'm not telling you to eat a freaking apple or do the typical bodybuilder, rice cakes and a little bit of peanut butter or PB Fit. No. Have a great snack. My snack yesterday or a few days ago was pretzels and Greek yogurt and salsa. Amazing snack. I ate half the bag of pretzels, guys. Half the bag. Like 3 servings, like a large amount. Again, with this version of macrolation, you get to eat your favorite foods and it's not like you're gonna be hungry. So, example, we do the pretzels, Greek yogurt, we put a ranch packet in the Greek yogurt, so now we got this awesome ranch dip, get the pretzels, 300 calories. All right, so now we're at 1,300 calories, we got 3 meals down, 2 meals and a snack. Now for dinner, same thing, what do we wanna do? Tacos, a burger, pizza. I love the flatbread pizzas. Let's go with flatbread pizza. We're gonna do a flatbread pizza. Maybe it's the Meat Lovers pizza. Again, it's in the recipe book, link is in the bio for free. Meat Lovers flatbread pizza. I believe the Meat Lovers pizza is 64 grams of protein, I believe. So we're doing real good. We're doing real good at this point. So dinner, we're having a Meat Lovers flatbread pizza. It's 500 calories or 550 calories, 64 grams of protein. We're now at, with the pretzels, 160, 180 grams of protein, somewhere around there. And we're still under 2,000 calories. So that means, guess what? You get dessert too. Now we're gonna do a Ninja Creamy. We're gonna make a pint of ice cream with little cookies in it, little Oreos in it, Twix in it, whatever, doesn't matter. Again, we're gonna get that ice cream to about 300 calories, 350 calories. It's gonna be about 30 grams of protein. And guess what? We're at 2,000 calories or less. 2,000 calories or less, around 180 to 210 grams of protein. At 2,000 calories, but here's the thing, guys, you just ate all your favorite meals and you're getting down to 10% body fat. That's what people don't frickin' understand. I tell people this and they're just like, dude, that's not possible. I'm like, it is. It's called macrolation. Manipulate your macros. They're like, no, there's no way that works. I have guys that are in their 70s that eat all their favorite foods every single day, every single meal, 8 to 12% body fat without doing any cardio. It's not genetics, it's not metabolism, it's not anything special. I get this negative comment all the time, like literally probably 20 to 40 times a week. You just have superior genetics, that's why you can do that. No, I don't have superior genetics. I was a fat kid, I was fat in my 20s, and then I was fat again after I was a bodybuilder. I've learned how to manipulate macros. That is it. If you learn how to manipulate macros, I just went over it with you, literally 2,000 calories. Are you telling me you can't get to 10% body fat on 2,000 calories? Yes, you can. You 100% can. And it's easy because you're eating all your favorite foods. So you never have to have a cheat day in sight. It's not like you get to eat pancakes and you had a Big Mac burger for lunch and then you had your snack and then you had your meatball sub and then you had a thing of ice cream every single day. Saturday comes, it's not like, oh, I need to go out and have freaking 30 chicken wings and a milkshake. It doesn't happen because you are satiating your body and what it needs and what you want. So when you eat what you want, you're never gonna have a cheat meal sensation like, oh, I just need to have a Ben & Jerry's. Like, no, you're literally eating ice cream every single day. That's what makes this sustainable for life, because it is so easy to eat all your favorite foods for every single meal and get to 10% body fat. 2,000 calories, 200 grams of protein, and you're eating your favorite foods. You will get to 10% body fat. I promise you that. So that would be how I would manipulate things. If I was to start fresh, if I was just to gain weight right now and go up to 20% body fat, 25% body fat, whatever, this is the approach I would take. And when I have a client that comes in that's 20 to 30% body fat, this is the approach they get. Does not matter how much they weigh, how tall they are, how short they are, what their BMI is. Literally none of that matters. The only thing that matters is that I give them this philosophy of manipulating macros so that they never feel the need to binge, and it makes their life sustainable forever. That is the whole thing with this channel. I'm giving this to you guys so that you can be 10% body fat forever. This is not like just get to 10% body fat. Like, no, like you can do that with any diet. Chicken and rice, like endless cardio, all that kind of stuff, you can get to 10% body fat, but you're gonna suffer and you will not be able to do it for the rest of your life. Do you want to live on the Stairmaster until you're 70 years old? No. That's why I only track my steps. I get 10 to 12,000 steps every day. All my clients, they don't do cardio unless they want to, but they just track their steps. You don't have to add excessive cardio to get to 10% body fat. I literally just went down to 7% body fat without doing any cardio, guys, eating all my favorite meals every single day, never having to pull out carbs. I literally ate 300 to 500 grams of carbs every single day. And if you look at all these meals, you're literally gonna be eating carbs, guys. 250 to 350 grams of carbs every day. Carbs are not the enemy. They're gonna give you energy, you're gonna have great workouts, and you're gonna feel amazing. That is the key. Getting to 10% body fat doesn't have to be this horrible thing where you're suffering and you hate your life. You're not gonna hate your life if you're eating pizza and pancakes and meatball subs every day. You're not. You're gonna, I promise you, getting to 10% body fat, it's gonna be the most enjoyable part of living your life now, because you're gonna realize, like, holy shit, what the fitness industry has taught me over the past 30, 40, 50 years is all completely wrong. I don't need to do endless cardio. I don't need to eat chicken and rice. I don't need to go on a keto diet. You literally can eat all your favorite foods, get to 10% body fat, and be happy. That's the key. We want to be happy and sustain it forever. This isn't a one-time thing. This is literally 10% body fat for life. So I hope you guys like that video, guys. Check out all the free recipes. The link is in the bio. Also, there's 12-week full coaching program, discounted heavily right now. First 10 founding members get, like, I think it's like $1,000 off or something insane. But just try it for yourself. Just remake some of your favorite meals this week, even if it's one. Just remake your favorite meal. If that's pizza, just try the flatbread pizza and see. And you'll be like, oh wow, that was only 500 calories and it was 40 to 50 grams of protein. Once you see that it works and you start doing it every day with every meal, you will see the results and you're gonna feel really good. So I hope you guys got something out of that. Please like and subscribe. Let's get this out to as many men as possible that need to hear the truth, because the fitness industry is all bullshit. They want you to buy more supplements. They want you to suffer and do chicken and rice all the time so that you have to take BCAAs and you have to take creatine and you have to buy all these supplements to get lean, but you don't. You just need to learn macrolation. That is it, and you can be lean for the rest of your life. I believe in every single one of you guys. Keep pushing forward. Drop me a comment. Let me know, what's your favorite meal? What do you want me to recreate? I'll make it. So take care, guys. I'll see you in the next one.